Okay, every time I try to change time on this Casio, I forget how to do it. And now, with daylight saving time, yeah, we need to fix this. If you've never done this before, it's actually really simple. You just need to know what to do with these buttons.
Ooh, what does this button do?
On most Casio watches, this button here puts you into settings. This one moves between options. And this one changes the numbers. So first, click this button till you get to the time setting. As you can see, numbers for seconds started flashing. Now you can move between hours, minutes and date. Let's set hours now. One thing people mess up, they press wrong button and exit everything. And then they have to start over. If that happens, just press the button again and continue where you left off. Once you're done, press this button again to save. And that's it. Your Casio is set. If this helped, you'll probably like the rest of my watch content. Subscribe.